Part 3, baking it all in. Every piece of feedback or correction from users gets captured, but not everything sticks. We want to collect all the feedback, but we don't want to keep all of it. Not every suggestion should become a permanent change. That's where admins come in. They review each proposed update, approve it, decline it, or ask the submitter for clarification. This human-in-the-loop process ensures that only high-quality, validated knowledge from trusted experts makes its way back into the systems, maintaining consistency and preventing drift from conflicting opinions or one-off assumptions. Once an update has been approved, that understanding gets baked in. So the next time a similar question comes up, PromptQL already knows the correct context, the right definition, and the best way to reason through it. So there you have it. A system that continuously learns from your people, improves transparently through feedback, and scales enterprise accuracy by turning tribal knowledge into collective intelligence. If you'd like to see this in action on your data for your use case, reach out to us. We would love to show you how PromptQL can work for you.